Today we'll be talking about the Harris County 30 million COVID-19 relief fund. On May 19, the Harris County's Commissioner office had voted for a $30 million fund. And this fund is to help Harris County families who are suffering due to the effects of the coronavirus pandemic. Help them with rent, mortgage, food, medical bills, and other expenses. On May 20th, the Harris County Precinct 2 Commissioner, Adrian Garcia, posted on his Facebook page that the 30 million funds will be available on June 11th. As part of the Harris County COVID-19 Relief Fund, there was another important vote that I think people should know about. The Harris County Commissioner's Office also voted to eliminate property tax liabilities for seniors and people with disabilities who own homes valued at $286,250 or less. And this goes into effect as of the 2021 tax bill. That was a key provision of the Harris County 30 million COVID-19 Relief Act that we should not forget about. So if you're a property owner and you fall within this category, know in your 2021 taxes, you will not have to pay any tax liability. The Harris County Precinct 3 and 4 Commissioners, Steve Reddick and Jack Kegel, voted against the 30 million relief fund. Kegel said he preferred that this money be given to landlords to help pay rent for struggling residents. Reddick said he voted because he did not want the county to use federal money to reimburse the Harris County Rainy Days Fund. Let's look at some statistics. Active cases. In Harris County, we have 6,771 active cases of coronavirus. In Fort Bend County, we have 1,143. You can see the difference. 6,000, 1,000. So Harris County needs every kind of help that it can need. And I'm sure the commissioners, they are aware of these numbers, and that's why they're trying to do everything to provide help to residents. In terms of recoveries, Harris County has had so far 4,775 recoveries, and Fort Bend County has had 599 recoveries. So it's not like there's no good news, there's some good news. People are recovering. Let's talk about the deaths. Harris County had so far 228 deaths, and Fort Bend County has 41. You can see the disparity. According to the Texas Department of State Health Services, Texas has reported cases of about 63,000 so far. Estimated recovery is at 41,651. So people are recovering from the coronavirus. And active cases of 19,000. And then if you look at the gender disparity, female 45% in Texas, and then male 53%. Then if you look at, in terms of race and ethnicity, Asians 3.3% of the cases so far in Texas. Blacks at 15.8%. Hispanics 39.7%. whites 27.5%, and unknown is 13%. So the Harris County COVID-19 Relief Fund will give priority to residents who are ineligible for unemployment benefits, ineligible for the CARES Act, or have not yet received a stimulus check or any kind of help from any government agency. That's who priority will be given to. Rodney Ellis, who's the Harris County Precinct 1 Commissioner, he says the coronavirus pandemic has created both a health and financial crisis in our communities. People are hurting. And it's our duty as public servants to make sure our most vulnerable residents get help. Remember Rodney Ellis, he is the brain behind this 30 million COVID-19 relief fund for Harris County. How do you apply for this 30 million fund? The funds will be administered in two different ways. The Greater Houston Community Foundation will administer the first $15 million on their website, ghcf.org. On June 11th, there will be an application on their website on where you can apply. The second part of the fund, 15 million, Harris County Judge Lina Hidalgo, she says, we will be very strategic to make sure that help is going to people who really need them. So the Harris County will set up a multilingual call center where eligible residents will be matched with a community-based organization after verification of eligibility in providing assistance. And this time, it will not be on a first come, first served basis. Remember, the 15 million on May 13th, the Houston Rental Assistance Program was on a first come, first basis. And within 90 minutes of application, the funds was depleted. So I'm sure the Harris County this time, commissioners this time, they have looked at the statistics and they say, no, let's do it this time in a more strategic way, making sure people who really need the help can get the help. So this time it will be randomized and not on a first come, first served basis. So we will continue to update you on this fund, and whenever any application is ready or any funds, we will make that news available to you. Harris County, Houston, like any other county in the country, is seeing unprecedented unemployment rates. People are hurting, people are suffering. And I think the Harris County is doing the right thing by trying to dip into its rainy day funds to help its residents. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so. If you are already subscribed, we thank you. C2C is a real estate mentorship program, and your family's finances is at the foundation. Please let me know, drop in the comments any other topic you may want me to talk about. Thank you.